Today I am reviewing the eufy C10 Robot Vacuum Self-Emptying. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are someone who feels like keeping your floors clean is a part-time job, you are definitely not alone. Between chasing after pet hair, sweeping up kitchen crumbs, and trying to vacuum under heavy furniture, it can feel like an endless cycle. But recently, smart home technology has taken a massive leap forward. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a brilliant device designed to take floor care completely off your hands for 2 months at a time. This is the eufy C10 Robot Vacuum with self-emptying station. This isn't just another robotic vacuum that bumps randomly into your walls. It is an incredibly slim, highly intelligent automated cleaner engineered specifically to solve the biggest headaches of robotic floor care. Let us break down exactly what makes this machine a standout addition to your home. Let us start with the headline feature, true hands-free cleaning. The eufy C10 features a fully automated self-empty station equipped with a massive 3-liter dust bag. Every single time the robot finishes a cleaning cycle and docks, the station automatically suctions out the debris from the vacuum's onboard bin. Because that 3-liter base bag is so large, you only need to replace it roughly once every 60 days. That gives you up to 8 full weeks where you do not have to touch, empty, or even think about vacuum dust, making it a dream for busy households. When it comes to pure cleaning performance, this little machine packs a serious punch. It boasts a powerful 4,000 pascals of suction. In the real world, that means it easily lifts deep-set dirt, heavy crumbs, and stubborn pet fur out of carpets and hard floor crevices. What makes it even better for homes with carpets is its integrated carpet detection technology. The moment the C10 transitions from a smooth hardwood or tile floor onto an area rug or carpet, it instantly senses the change and automatically scales up its suction power to its maximum level. This ensures a deep, thorough extraction of hidden dust embedded deep within the carpet fibers. But raw power means nothing if the vacuum cannot reach the dirt. This is where eufy's physical engineering truly shines. Most premium self-emptying robot vacuums are quite tall because of the laser sensors mounted on top, causing them to get stuck or completely skip cleaning under low furniture. The eufy C10 completely solves this problem with its incredibly slim 2.85-inch profile. It is low enough to slide effortlessly under low-profile couches, bed frames, dressers, and desks. It significantly reduces the amount of manual touch-up vacuuming you have to do yourself. Furthermore, traditional robot vacuums are notoriously bad at cleaning corners, often leaving a visible line of dust along your baseboards. eufy addressed this by including a unique corner rover arm, also known as the edge expansion brush. This is an innovative, extendable side brush mechanism that physically reaches outward when the vacuum detects a corner or wall edge. It sweeps dirt and hidden pet hair straight out of tight nooks and crannies and directly into the main suction path. To keep things running smoothly, the internal roller is supported by an anti-tangling design to minimize hair wraps, making it highly efficient for pet owners. Navigation is handled by an advanced point laser and multi-infrared system. Instead of wandering aimlessly around your home, the C10 effectively scans your rooms to build optimized, highly efficient cleaning paths. It knows exactly where it has been and where it still needs to go. Through the dedicated eufy Companion app, which pairs seamlessly over a standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, you unlock total customization. You can view your generated floor plan, establish specific cleaning schedules for when you are away from home, and even draw virtual no-go zones around delicate areas like pet water bowls or children's toy piles. To ensure you get the absolute best results out of every single run, there are just a couple of quick user tips to keep in mind. First, because the robot focuses on maximum coverage and an ultra-slim profile, it does not have optical camera obstacle avoidance. This means you will want to quickly tidy up loose items like power cords, stray socks, and small toys before starting a cycle so it can navigate without interruption. Second, remember to perform a tiny bit of monthly maintenance by cleaning the internal filter and HEPA filter once a month to keep that 4,000 pascals of suction feeling brand new. Ultimately, the eufy C10 Robot Vacuum is a stellar achievement in home convenience. It successfully combines elite laser mapping, a uniquely slim body that fits anywhere, and a smart corner cleaning brush with an ultra-convenient 2-month self-empty dock. If you are looking to save time, reduce your daily chores, and enjoy constantly clean floors without the premium price tag, this is an investment that genuinely delivers.